So over the years, Ripple and Mastercard partnership speculation has been very, very frequent. And there's a reason why, because press releases like this one I'm about to break into. We're going to get into some of the nitty gritty here. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below. Glad you can join us. Many of Ripple's customers, have teamed up with Mastercard in relation to international payments. So actually, we can go back to 2022 in London, Ripple's Swell event. Jorn Lambert, Mastercard's chief digital officer, was a key speaker at the event. This was an event for Ripple, which definitely adds fuel to the fire in the Ripple Mastercard speculation discussion. Now, we know that companies like this, like Mastercard and Visa, have slowly but surely come around to the idea of cryptocurrency, right? But I want you to focus in on this particular paragraph right here. We're going to dive into this, okay? Sorry about the shoe commercial down there. So today, Mastercard introduced Cross-Border Services Express. This is a new tool that enables financial institutions to seamlessly set up international payments for their customers, including consumers and small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, which have a strong need for improved cross-border payment capabilities. Increasingly, consumers and businesses are looking for ways to send money or pay vendors across the globe quickly and securely. Cross-Border Services Express delivers that completely in a digital-first experience. So let me highlight this again. Today, Mastercard introduces Cross-Border Services Express, a new tool that enables financial institutions to seamlessly set up international payments. Now, the service complements Mastercard's cross-border services offering. It works using a customizable and easy-to-implement digital overlay. Now, with Mastercard's cross-border services, participating financial institutions can now offer their customers international payments in more than 60 currencies to over 100 markets, covering 90% of the world's population. The service offers users flexibility in how they pay by delivering funds to bank accounts, mobile wallets, cards, and cash payout locations with full transparency. Now, here's what's interesting. Mastercard is collaborating with leading fintechs, Fable Fintech and PayPal payment or pay-all payment systems to deliver this light touch, quick-to-market solution. So this is a partner, Fable Fintech is, of Ripple. Mastercard and Ripple partner Fable Fintech team up for cross-border payments. So the same partner who is partnered up with Ripple is partnering with Mastercard to bring cross-border payments. Now, this should be fuel to the fire, of course. Digital payments are seeing strong growth, with 3/4 of consumers who send and receive cross-border payments doing so through mobile apps. This according to Mastercard's 2022 report. Many challenges, though, still exist. Additionally, 39% of SME respondents said that cross-border payments slow their supply chain, and 1/4 reported that suppliers had refused to work with them because of their uncertainty over payment times. Well, we know who can help there. For small and medium enterprises, it's important to keep money flowing, said Jane Prokop, Executive Vice President, Small and Medium Enterprises at Mastercard. Cross-Border Services Express will enable financial institutions to meet SMEs' needs for an efficient and digital cross-border payment solution they can count on to pay employees, suppliers, and partners fast and with full predictability. Very interesting that the same partner here, Fable Fintech, who's partnered up with Ripple, has partnered with Mastercard. Coincidence? What do you guys think? Drop your thoughts down below. Appreciate you guys, as always, for stopping back by the channel. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.